What up, disgruntled? Oh, I overslept this morning. Winnie woke me up at like real early. Why is the F1 calendar so shit? Facts. That's an evergreen statement. Every year they're like, we're gonna make it better. We're gonna make it better for the drivers. We're gonna make it better for the crews. We're gonna make it better for viewers. And then, oh. But yeah, Winnie woke me up at like 4:15 to go outside, and I have to carry her up and down the stairs at the moment because she has an old shoulder injury that uh, can get agitated. So I had to carry her outside at 4:30 in the morning, and then it took me forever to fall back to sleep. It'll be alright. Yeah, I'd have to imagine it's at least somewhat similar. There we go. Do one of these. Nice. Oh, we have to figure out the fly IO deploy stuff. I forgot that's where we left off yesterday. Damn it. Oh well. We'll just get that out of the way and then we can get into UI stuff. I do think I'm gonna move to host it on Coolify. I just don't want to. I don't want to do it in the middle of development because I'm gonna have to figure out how to. Does Coolify have like blob storage too? All right, Keycaster is not working, so we're gonna reset this. You're little all the time. All right, we'll figure that out on stream in a week or two. What up, Journey? Okay. So, let's try this again. And see where we get stuck. Because we switched to using the normal Docker image from Bun. Yeah. So npm's not found now. So we can just install. The fuck just happened? What? What just happened? My monitors like switched. What the That was so weird. That was weird. All right, let me fix my screen because it is not right. Good morning. Ethan, it's a redemption, not a command. All right. You know what? I bet I can. We're gonna try one hack real quick before we. Yo, what is happening to my monitors? It's the second time this just happened. My monitors just switched the side they're on. Hold on. Shut the fuck up. Alright, let's see if this just stays this time. What the fuck? Alright. Morning, Nora Chair. Running a Bitcoin node. Nice. You canceled all your cards, dude? That's brutal. Let me get a new window here. I want to bring this over and I want to look up apt get installed Node.js. I don't care what version. Is it just Node.js? Yeah, okay. All right, let's try this. Nice. Yo, I like this. NPM not found. How is NPM not found? Yeah, it missed Raleigh, but it destroyed Asheville, which is where we're having our wedding. How is npm not found? If we install node, you would think npm would be there. I don't know. We're kind of waiting to see. I think they're. I mean, it's not for over a year, so it seems like we might be okay. Let's go back to the original. All right, we're gonna do this, and we're gonna follow the instructions of installing bun, bun, and we're gonna do this, and whoa, the hell is that? That's not what I wanted. And we're gonna do something else that's gonna be convert this to a Docker file command. So we want to get curl in here too. So let's go over here and put in curl. And then we'll get rid of curl here, and we don't need this line. And then we'll do this. And we want to basically go back into our undo tree. And I want to copy from here down. Good morning, Mr. Wizard. Oh, dude, that's sick. Ethan, DM me how Rescript and Next is. I'd be interested. All right, let's see if this fucking works. Some Kendrick this morning. Let's go. Bun not found. Why would bun not be found if I did this? How do I add it to the path in this script? I would have assumed the script would have updated the path. This is so dumb. What up, John? Looks like it installs in home. All right, so I should be able to do like instead, right? I should be able to do like slash dot bun slash bin slash bun. I don't think I saved that. Won't work. Okay. That's a shell specific alias. What would be the right way to do it? Bin bun. Oh wait, that might have worked. Bun, bin, bun. Dot, bun, bin, bun. ls. So like is ls a Docker command? Or do I need to yeah. Rum. No such file or directory. Cannot access root.bun. Try set the env bun install. Okay. You'll need to update the binary path. Okay, let me open this and bring this over here. So I should be able to get rid of this bit, right? Wait, what's this? Okay. Oh my god, button not found. This is so stupid. Yeah. Where did Discord go? There we go. Okay. Fly, I mean, we can try getting rid of the slim. I don't think that's gonna make a difference. The other thing we could do is go back to using the bun image and just figure out how to get npm installed correctly. Somebody else has to have figured this out, right? Like, this can't be install bun on fly.io. All right, this is using Railway. I don't want to use Railway. All right, what's this say? Here we go. Here we go. This is getting closer to what we want. So let's yoink this. And we're going to paste that down to node-env. Great. And the version of bun we want is, we'll just take the most recent version. And from bases build, delete that. We'll copy their what does -- link do in a Docker file? What up, Coffee? Okay, I will grab that in just a second, probably, Jason. What up, Rugged Bear? Oh, there was something in Slack I wanted to send you, Wizard. Let me, where's this gonna open? Yeah, here we go. Okay, so far this looks like it might be working. Good morning, Mr. FM. How we doing? think we might have got it. I want to go look at... Oh, you installed Bun with npm. That's smart. I didn't even realize you could do that. This might have worked, though. I think it worked. Did this work? Fly. I'm a bit of a JS expert. Gonna make that meme with the guy looking at the new girl, the guy. Listen, I don't work in OCaml full time anymore. Otherwise, I would be still doing OCaml a lot of the time. Plus, let's see here. I don't, this shouldn't have npm in it anymore. This should all be just bun. I just woke up from a Twitch coma. R10. Oh, I bet this launched in my personal. It did. That's okay. Oh, I like this like bottom bar. That's kind of nice. Looks like it started. So, theoretically, we can test this, right? If we come over here, we should be able to like, okay. Well, we got some errors, but I'm guessing this is probably... It ran this twice, which is interesting. Did I end up getting that email? I did. So it's at least partially working. The other one I want to try, let's just try all three quick. Live logs. How do I get to my Oh, because I have two machines running for this. I don't need two machines running for this. So let's go back over here and in my fly toml. How do I do this? Z Twitch. Fly toml.
Describe the world.
VM kind. CPU's 1. Memory megabytes. Okay, that doesn't look that different. I only need one freaking machine though. Min machine's running. What does dash dash HA do? File reference. I just want the I want like the API for the configuration file. That's all I want. Give me all the options, please. Primary run kill signal, console command, swap size, build section, deploy section, strategy. CPUs, GPUs. So super function douchebag. Ah. Okay. Well, this should be good then if we go back to our dashboard. Yeah. Okay, that looks good. And if we go to our live logs and we can go to our machine logs, how do I get to my open telemetry logs? Opening Grafana, here we go. That's what I meant. Details. Nice. Here we go. This looks good. We're looking at the wrong machine though. Job processor. Sure. Fly logs for job processor. All right, it looks like we're started. So let's try this again. Or this is in the third tab. Bueller. I just got the email. So there's either a delay. What? So I got it. I just don't know where those logs are showing up in Grafana. Fly instance, fly logs. Okay, it looks like it came here. Maybe. 16. Oh, the logs get pushed to the top. That's a weird... Okay, so if we do this again, let's run our Entreport create. We should see those come in now. How much of a delay is here? We see it over here. Do I have to refresh? Are these not live? Yeah, they just must not be live. I don't know how to set that. Whatever. We're getting the logs. This is working. We have it deployed. Good. All right. We are done with the job queue for the time being. So it is finally time to go back to front-end dev after over a month of fucking around with this thing. Okay, we can kill this and we can go to front and let's do this and we'll do a bun install. Yeah, it's Arc browser. And we're going to do bun run start. Bun run dev. Bun update latest. Let's see here. Bun ignore local modules when running update packages. Should honor this from our oh, do we just have to link? Let me make sure I have my... We probably need something like... Okay, maybe I didn't put it in here. How does the know how to resolve that? How did I set this up? I'm now confused at how I set this up. Oh, turbo? Was it turbo that did it? No. Oh yeah, 100%. I love Dance Gavin Dance. I've seen them 2 or 3 times. So shout out to Low Level. I love some DGD. All right. I don't know what we did to fix this in our other bits here. So we can try to link. We're in a mono repo using turbo repo at R10. No, come on, ChatGPT. This is why I hate. Is an alias that looks in libs. Set module resolution force. All right, let's try that. tsconfig module resolution. What does force do? Here we go. This will probably do what we want. I think so. Because if we look at, if we go up or into packages, in fact, that should be in packages. Packages. So we have like these workspaces. I don't know what this project is. Let's go check the bun docs too, I guess. Bun toml. And it wanted us to look at what? The alias. So let's see if we can get a grep on that in here. Alias. There's not really anything useful there. It hallucinated that. Lol.
It's the gospel of the camel.
Okay.
I speak the gospel of the
Like
dunes. The sand is in my veins.
Thank you for the sub.
Come ride a camel with me today.
There we go. That worked. Adding the path thing worked. Great. Okay. Cool. All right, and then in here we should have a dev. So if we run bun run dev. Still no. Non-relative path packages is not allowed when base URL is not set. Right, we need to set it to be up. packages. What we could do, we put that in here. Bun install. Bun run dev. I use 1Password, Cyprian. Okay. So that's going to be in Svelte config. I guess I can just make this .mjs. Okay, we're getting closer. I guess I'm gonna have to do that again for Tailwind. Or what? Or post Michael Jackson module format. Let's go. All right, we're running. There we go. So if we go to localhost, we should hopefully be in action here. Whew! 500 internal error. Nailed it. Okay, that's okay. Front source lib server Lucia adapter. All right, so we probably have some type errors, and this is probably from imports. We didn't check everything once we moved to a monorepo. So let's just come into like, I don't know, hooks.server and run a type check. Yep. We have a ton of, okay. Let's go just fix these problems. Let's start. Anything in libs is going to be the best place to start. Yep, here we go. We want to change this to at r10/db. Change r10/db/ how do we do this in, hold on, let's go check the job queue and how we set this up. Package dependencies, this all looks fine. Is this the root? Where are we at? Yeah, we want to go down into apps, job processor, and I want to look at this one. This seems fine. Package JSON then. And we want to grab U and go over to front. Put that in here. Oh, it is there. That's weird that I would be able to resolve it from the job processor. Private, yeah, that looks good. Scripts, dev dependencies, this seems fine. Okay. So if I wanted to grab that, we can look at how we import in here too. So let's go to, I probably do that in Postgres. Yeah. So I should be able to do this, right? Cannot find module. I have to have a drizzle in here somewhere, right? Where did we put the I literally, here we go. That's the one we wanted. User, session, user. We love JavaScript dev tooling here, chat. It's just the best of all time. Why would this work in one of the... It's gotta be... I see. Okay, so I already did this. So in here, I see. This needs to go back to the original. They were fine. I just, okay. The real problem is in here. Up to drizzle to schema, which is not here. Right. This is the one that needs to be that. But that doesn't work. I'm guessing that's because we screwed up. I wonder if we even needed this. Bun install. Good, very good. Let's just close out and let the language server try to get its life together. Are we good? I think it's happy. It's now completing. Let's go. All right. So this is okay. Because now we just have to change this to that same import, right? We just gotta yank around that, go back over here. And we can do a specter on this, right? We can come in here, we'll do the replace, and we'll come here, put that there. Why didn't that work? I guess we can just do I have to escape that? Whatever. Types, that's okay. Types will get regenerated. I don't know why it thinks that's... All right, we might be type checked, minus that one type import problem. Yeah, and I think we just have to build to fix that. Bun run build. All right, what did we fail on? All right, I'm going to do that force thing in tsconfig. Find beach. What was it? Force. Still. Why? That's what it wants. All right, there we go. We're built. Bun run dev. Hey, look at that, chat. Would you just look at it? We've got our app running. Haven't seen this screen in a while. First try. And let's just do a type check. We still... What are you upset about in here? Yeah, we can probably change that back. Let's go to... We want to go to sign up, and we want to make sure we're emitting our Entreport sync event. So routes sign up on this server. Whoops. So when we do get signed up, we want to also publish in here. We're going to publish a second transaction into job queue, and this is going to be, why did that? Entreport, and that requires, it should be Entreport create kind payload, changing that, Entreport create contact, and then this needs, first name is going to be form.data.firstname. Last name is going to be form.data.lastname. What else do we need? User ID, which we should have gotten from up here. Yep. And then we need, what else do we need in here? Email, form.data.email, and phone number, form.data. Phone number. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that should work. We don't need this anymore because we moved the emailing off to another service. Okay, that looks good. And then let's go check our dashboard metrics upload. Make sure we're publishing our event here. So we are. Great. All right, so let's do a nice little refresh over here. Morning.
Good morning. Question for you.
What? Answer for you?
The office has been getting cold. Does this look okay? It's like a sweater, blazer type thing?
Yep.
Or should I...
Nope, that looks good.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Or should I get a different sweater and be more casual?
Nope, I think that looks good. Will you be comfy in that?
What do you mean? Feel it. It's so comfy.
Well then, yeah, wear that. That looks good.
Thanks.
Yep. All right, so let's create an account. And let's say we're going to be John Deere. No, let's say we're going to be Jane Doe. And we'll say 717-867-5309. Email is going to be, I'm just going to say Dylan.Mulroy plus Jane Doe 1@gmail.com. And our password is going to be FooBarBaz. FooBarBaz. All right, great. So we jump right. Why did that take us to answer 3 in our self-assessment? That's a bug. Why did that happen? All right, let's go check the database. Open Yak. We didn't need Yak. We wanted the database. Data grip. Great. So let's go to user. So we got that. Let's go look to see if our job queue. So I'm not positive if this got picked up. So it looks like maybe our interesting. I have an onboarding assessment for user assessment. How do we get to This is data grip, Dan. All right, we're actually just gonna clean our database because I've been hacking on this for a while. So let's come in here and we're gonna delete our users. And this we should get cascading deletes on everything here. Those can stay. That's good. We can delete all of these. Email verification, credential, assessment answers, questions, Question scale. That looks good. Yeah. Okay, so we're at a clean state. So since we're in a clean state, if we refresh, we're gonna get back to here. We're gonna have to sign up again. So we'll do my actual name now. Dylan Mulroy, 717-867-5309. Dylan.mulroy@gmail.com. And we'll do foo-bar-baz. Okay, that took us there. And now that should have also put a job in the job queue. Right? So let's go check our fly.io logs because I don't know why that wouldn't have picked up. Our job processor's down.
Alright, chat, this hasn't happened in a while. Small dog mealtime.
Chat, you know the drill. Watch the, make sure no other dogs eat that dog bowl.
He knows I'm leaving though, so I put cheese in it. So there shouldn't be a problem. Just in case.
Has excess capacity. Why did that auto stop? I need to build in some rate limiting for the playlist. I'm gonna see, chat, if I can work on some of my Vercel stuff on the streams in the morning. I want to once we get the dashboard for this Excel data up, I want to see if I can work on stream writing a client for OpenSRS. I have it partially started, but it's like this XML API for OpenSRS as our domain registry. And I would love to spend my mornings for a couple days getting my initial client written on this. So that could be something we end up doing. All right, so that should keep our box up now, at least. Right? It says it's still suspended. Why would the machine go down in 1 minute? Has excess capacity. Why? But Odie, you better stay back, bud. Yeah, I'm probably going to set up local hosting. I'll probably deploy to like DigitalOcean and Coolify this weekend. I just don't want to take all my time on stream to do that. I don't know why I can't start it from here. All right, I'm just gonna copy like the exact config from my all right, here we go. Fine, we'll go org. I don't even care. We're copying everything. Build, mount, that's not important. HTTP service. Sure. Literally identical. Bodie. Thank you, Dan. Good boy. Good boy. I know. I know. Life's not fair that you don't get 2 breakfasts. I know. It's not fair. I love the dog alert. I'm a good boy. Thanks for the prompt. Good boy, Dan. You're such a good boy. I wonder if that dash HA did something. No, and I don't even know what local ingress means, to be honest. I am not a very DevOpsy person. Unfortunately, that's a skill set I need to learn and build up a little bit more. No, I haven't. It's stuff. Yeah, that's like on my to-do list for things I want to learn. All right, I think we do have a bug though. In while we're waiting for this to build and redeploy, I think we have a bug in our onboarding. Ngrok is Bay. I'll have to look up Ngrok. I think I'm going to try to deploy this all to Coolify. Like, I'll probably do that this weekend. Self-hosted. Where are the docs? Like, I want to put my home server on this too. So, if I figured this out this weekend, I'll share it on stream. I just don't want to spend like a whole stream doing that stuff. All right, so that looks like it deployed. Let's check here on here. Now Twitch integrations, we want to go to, it's still down. Why is this thing going down? Fly start. Fly control dash dash help. Fly machine. Fly machine restart. For some reason that's still saying it's an IAD. We changed this to be an ORD. Good God. Winnie? Oh yeah, by the way, chat, now that I have a bunch of you here, this is super, super, super last minute. But if anyone can make it, I have an extra ticket for SquiggleConf. Why did that search? Okay, that's fine. SquiggleConf is in a couple days in Boston. October 3rd through the 4th. I can't make it because I have to take care of Winnie. I have a ticket, and if anyone can make it, let me know, and the ticket is yours for free. You'll just have to cover travel and lodging. I'll drop the link in. Error acquiring a lease. What does that mean? Failed to get lease, machine ID, lease currently held, expires. What the hell? Yeah, it's going to be a really good conference. I'm really bummed I can't make it. I think I'm going to help out with organizing it next year. It's going to be really, really good. Like to have all these dev tooling people in the same place at once, like the amount of like a bunch of these people are never in the same place at the same time. So to have the people building the foundational tools in our ecosystem in one place at one time, like is going to be the potential for really, really good outcomes is really, really high. Yeah, I can't make it. Winnie hurt her shoulder and she starts PT this week. And I have to carry her up and down the stairs at the moment. And that's just, uh, it's not fair to Justine. So I'm staying. Plus, I have to take her to PT during the day, and Justine can't do that every day. So yeah, unfortunately, I have to take care of the dog. Um, but yeah, if anyone in chat can make it to Boston, October 3rd to 4th, I have a free ticket to SquiggleConf with your name on it. I don't know what this is. I have no idea what this app is. Oh. Oh, I see. It's a builder. All right, so it looks like job processor's back up. Let's go to our logs. All right, looks like it's running. All right, all right, all right, all right. So let's clean our database again. Go ahead, get rid of you. And we'll clean up our job queue. We eventually do need like a dead letter queue type functionality for our job queue, but that would be really easy to do. Because we have we almost built it like a state machine. So we can use timestamps and the status it's in to effectively build a simple dead letter queue. We're going to go localhost and we'll refresh here. Okay, so let's minimize to bun run dev. Okay. This should redirect us here. Sign up. All right, let's fill this out again. Dylan Mulroy, 717-867-5309. Dylan.mulroy. And we'll just do like a +1 at gmail.com. And we'll say foo bar baz. Foo bar baz. Create account. All right, we should see that. Oh yeah, we got an error. We got a encoding error. That's interesting. That's an interesting problem. I bet I skill issued myself in sign up server. I bet I published something incorrectly down here. In fact, we can do that in one. So our send verification is locked. All right, so do we have a bug in our job queue? Now this is like fun stuff to work on. All right, let's go into job, Vim. So when we listen on here, getting most recent new jobs, set locked, limit 1. I wonder if we're creating 2 jobs in one transaction, if that's the problem. Oh, that's totally the problem. Never throw is awesome. What'd you use it for, if you don't mind me asking? So how does our trigger work? This is going to be the other thing, because I'm betting our trigger. So we're not handling if a transaction makes 2 jobs. Job queue. How can I look at my trigger? After insert on job queue, for each row, job queue notify. Let's actually switch these. Split right. Create trigger new job queue. After insert on job queue, for each row, execute this procedure, which is this. We notify on the job queue. We give it the ID. That should be fine. It should handle them serially. So let's go back to, let's do this ID approach. from job queue where ID equals job ID. And we want to do... All right, let me catch up on chat. Are you guys in OCaml Discord? We're just kind of a general programming Discord. There's a lot of functional programming enthusiasts in it, ranging from Rust to OCaml to Haskell, everything in between. Let's see here. It's an archiving process that fetches a bunch of reports, writes them to a DB just in case, and then deletes them based on some criteria. Lots of user input and network stuff that can go wrong. That's like a beautiful, perfect use case for Neverthrow. Would you use Neverthrow in the Next.js project? I found from... actually, yes. I actually submitted a talk to React Miami that I'm hoping I get picked for. Let me see if I can pull up the CFP. No, where is it at? Do I have it in here? Book, Phono Camel. No. Here we go. I think this might have been... This might have... I lost... I hope I didn't lose that full thing. I think this was the... No, where is it? Where the fuck is it? Hold on, let me pull up my email. I think it's still worth using Neverthrow Next because you can still choose to throw when you need to, right? You just do an unwrap on your result, but you still get all the benefit. See ya.
What time do I need to be home?
I need to take my car in between 3 to 4.
Okay.
You get all the benefit of having typed errors and specifically handling each type of expected error case rather than treating errors like generically as unknown and then just like any old error just rejects to the nearest error boundary. Let me see if I have my React Miami. Whitney, dude, she just left. Sorry, chat. Here we go. I found my CFP. So if we look at this, talk description. Talk title is throw try catch in the bin, level up React error handling with the result type. Tired of guessing if that imported function throws, or maybe you're losing sleep from being paged for an unhandled promise rejection at 2 a.m.? Error handling is insidiously difficult to get right in React and TypeScript. This talk introduces the result type, a simple, powerful, and pragmatic game changer for managing errors in React applications. We'll explore how to leverage result types in conjunction with React's error and suspense boundaries to create more robust, type-safe, and maintainable code. Say goodbye to unexpected crashes and hello to graceful, typed, and exhaustive error management that your future self and your team will thank you for. Then just a quick little outline. I hope I get picked. I think it would be really good. Okay, we need to yoink this. Yoink you. Replace, put that there. Delete that. Tab these over. And then we can get rid of this. We go up here. And now we grab this. And we put that here. Yeah. Update job queue set status. Locked. Locked at is new D where ID equals that. Yeah. All right, so let's actually delete this. Well, let's not delete it. Let's just go back to our job queue and we're going to say get job ID. There we go. Beautiful. And we're going to redeploy that now. And so we'll say...
Speaks the gospel of the camel. I speak the gospel of the dunes. The sand is in my veins. Come ride a camel with me today.
Thank you for the gifted subs, Dan. Super appreciate you. Fly deploy. Oh, that goes... Yeah. Fly deploy. And while fly deploy is running, let's clean our data again. Let's just go nuke our user. See commit. And we can go, let's just close all of these. And we'll go clean up the job queue table. Great. That should be everything. And while that's deploying, yep, I agree with you, PM. Rob code depends on your background, I would say. If you're like pretty new to functional programming, I would say start with Gleam. Gleam is hands down the best way to learn functional programming. But if you're already like, if you have a background in Haskell or something, I would say maybe OCaml. See ya, Lil Boo. I'm gonna next this song. I want to play this song. This has been stuck in my head.
Functions describe the world.
Thank you for the follow there, Woozy. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate you. All right, so if we go here, let's restart our server and we can minimize our database and let's rotate these, move left. I don't know why this is still deploying to IAD. I could have swore we moved it to ORD. Our job processor is down again? Hold up. No, it's running. When I'm back in Chicago, I feel it. Okay, we're watching the job queue. Let's sign up. Dylan Mulroy 717-867-5309. Dylan.mulroy@gmail.com. Foo-bar-baz. Create account. Okay. We saw a bunch of stuff happen over here. That's good. So what happened here? Job queue started getting most recent new job. Error. Expected JSON string, and we got oh, it's because we're not serializing it as JSON. Right. Okay. I know what that bug is. This needs to...
Functions describe the world.
Yeah, there we go. That's what we needed. Okay, we're just gonna go back here. Thank you for the follow, M Hinton. So we do that, send verification, and then we need to, the other place that we do this is on, we want to go to metrics down here, and we're going to JSON stringify this. %. All right, there we go. So let's restart and let's kill our data. Come in here and we'll kill our job queue. Boom. And then we're gonna delete our user and we'll get our nice cascading deletes. And we'll come back over here, full screen this. If we refresh, this is gonna be gone. Yep, sign up. Set through this again. I don't even know if that's enough numbers. What is it? 6, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dylan.mulroy@gmail.com. Foobarbaz. Create account. That was a 22. Do we have to kick our server? That's not what we wanted. We don't need that. All right, let's roll our server. Fly machine restart. What up, Priv? So somewhere in our job queue, it didn't recover to the state that I would have expected, which is problematic. Oh shit, hold on. Let me, I need to come back to that. Mark on red. Okay, nothing important. All right, let's restart again. This should have rolled. Right? If we look at the logs. Yeah, it rolled. Okay, so if we restart over here, I don't even know what some of these buttons are. Wow. Yeah, sign up. I need like a script to automatically fill this out. Okay, great. That autofills for me. Unblur. I can just do 778675309. And we'll do, yeah, whatever. We'll just use a create account. Okay, so we're still having some issue here. Must return only one column. Oh. Okay. So that's an easy fix. Right? We can just go to our Postgres and yeah, that would make sense, huh? That would make sense. Yeah, yep. Dumb. We need to fly deploy. All right, I need a script to like clean. Yeah, I am. It was my sub select that was wrong. I was selecting star instead of ID. And it was screwing up the where clause because it was returning a whole row rather than an individual value or column. Yeah. What about using a git hook to act as a cleaning script? Oh, I don't mind you guys filling out my chat. It's totally fine. I'd rather have a chatty chat than a quiet chat. How's Ghosty? I really like Ghosty. I really do. It's really good. I would like to figure out how to move this to my other organization though. Love me. I don't know. I have no idea why the image size is so large. It's probably because I'm copying over a bunch of stuff I don't need to. I'm probably copying like node modules and shit that I don't need. That would be nice, wouldn't it, Priv? All right, let's do this again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That all looks good. That all looked really good. That looked good. Oh, right. The logs are in this direction. All right. So if we come down, we start. We got a job ID, send verification email. We also, in parallel, or not parallel, concurrently, we got another job. We sent the verification email. We started handling this job. We created the Entreport contact, successfully created that. Successfully sent that. So, theoretically, if this worked, we should see over here in Entreport. Gotta blur my screen quick. Yep. There we go. Look at this. Right there is the user created in the CRM. On group. Deselect you. We can delete those. Delete. So there's that. And then I should also see that I got an email. Yep. I need to fix this, but we can go verify. Because that should be HTTP. That's fine too. So we could take that, copy, and we could do like a little mini arc here. A little arc window. We'll paste this in. I don't know why little arc is over here. And we'll make that HTTP. And that should verify my email. Yep. Check that out. Verify. Boom. All right. And now the last thing to check is that, damn it, I keep opening Yak when I go to open data grip. In here, we should see that we should see an email verification. I don't know why that didn't work, but that's less important. Locked at. Do we have completed at? Let's go. Status completed. Let's go. That is exactly what is supposed to happen. I really like Arc. I'm kind of disappointed I didn't start using it sooner. It's like super, super nice. That's awesome. Okay, that's super useful. Man, that feels good that that worked. What's interesting is my logs aren't fully annotated as I would expect. I'm gonna have to check into that. But that's okay. That's working. So let's just get through this onboarding survey. It doesn't matter. All right. So here's the next part. The next part we can see if this works is if we can upload. Why am I getting? Okay. Okay. It's just the schniz. I keep worrying that it's something wrong. So you look at my downloads here. Downloads. Is this what we want? That's probably not what we want. We probably want the Excel sheet. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, that's what we want to upload. So let's try uploading this now. Oh, can I not drag and drop from space drive? Oh, that sucks. Damn. All right, so I'm guessing we got an error on the server here. Well, I don't see any errors. So definitely need to create the job queue. Do we have errors in the console? Well, let's go check Supabase quick. Let's check our blob storage to see if anything happened. Mondo asked one question. I love Svelte. I'm using it for e-commerce or landing, but for admin panel, I've been using React for a more robust code, but I would love to use Svelte there too. I really like Svelte 5. Svelte 5 is super, super nice. It's really simple. Yeah, I would possibly default to Svelte 5 for most things. I am gonna build something with Next.js soon. But as a whole, I really love Svelte 5. I don't think I would have liked Svelte before Svelte 5, but I do very much like Svelte 5. All right, so we have these two users. So this was added this morning. So this is what I just added. This was added a long time ago. Yeah, we can delete this bucket. So for some reason, let's delete this bucket again. And so deleted it. We did upload. So something seems like it didn't work in here. This feels like it didn't work because it's not awaiting it. So this should be async. And then we should await. I don't know what you're getting happening down there. So let's go back to Arc now. And just do a quick refresh, make sure everything's good. I should still have my session. Yeah, everything's still good. I don't like that flash though. Perf metrics. Upload. Why? All right, so that just got added. Did our job queue pick it up? Now is the real question. It doesn't look like it. Why? Ghosty is still in private beta. What is happening here? ULID file name. So why did our job queue not pick that up? Because it's in here, right? What about if we try to trigger it manually? So let's come down here and do...
Describe the world.
We're gonna need to fix that script. So let's go scripts. I need to copy my user ID. Thank you for the follow, Lame, however you pronounce. Appreciate you. All right. That's probably not the right path either because that's the file we want. I did, but we ended up porting it to EffectTS. All right, so let's try that. Okay, so we entered a new job. And did we pick that up over here? No, we didn't. So something's wrong. with so when these jobs, something's wrong with this stream. Okay, so there's a bug in the job queue, and it's gonna, oh, god damn it, bad cop. Oh no, what happened? My text fell all over the place. Okay. So in our job queue, something's wrong with this stream. This isn't continuing forever. I don't know if anyone from the Effect community is in here, but it seems like this isn't constantly running. RIP.
Functions describe the world.
Stream.runDrain runs the stream only for its effects. So this is effect scope. Do we just do effect.forever? Or no. We would do that inside the scope. Effect.forever. Let's, we're gonna stop our machine. Fly machine stop, and we're gonna run locally. Okay, let's make sure that doesn't restart. It is. Winnie. So annoying. All right, so that is stopped. All right, so we should be able to run locally now. Let me come over here and we can kill this so I can. Winnie, what is happening here? I have to delete my index.lock. That's annoying. Remove .git/index.lock. Okay, that's fine. All right, so if we go to job and we say bun start, we should be running there. Yeah. And then let's make a second tab and we'll go to DB and we'll do bun run scripts. That looks good. All right, it seems like we can keep running this over and over again. Was there a failure in there? There was. Blob store error. An error has occurred. I bet we got rate limited or just gave it a bad. At least we set the error there. So let's just go ahead and try this again. All right. I use Tmux. Okay. This seems like it might be better now. So let's go clean our database and we'll keep it running locally for now. Let's delete our user and then we'll come to our job queue and delete all of these. And we will come here and we'll keep we can get rid of that. And let's keep this off to the side. And we'll bump this over and we'll move this back to a full split. And if we refresh here, we're gonna get logged out. Jump over to here and start the dev server. And I wanna watch these logs here. Let's just restart our job queue too. Okay, job queue started. Dev server should be started. There we go. We need to sign up. This is good. Do that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll just use this random password and we'll ignore that. Create account. All right. So that just did both of our jobs. I got my email. I see that popped up on my phone. Entreport must have worked. If we refresh here, we should see a bunch more. Yep, this is the one we just made right now. So that worked. Back to localhost. We got to get through this quick. Get through our onboarding survey quick. Great. Fine. I gotta go grab my verification. That's gonna be that. Oh, because that's freaking broken. Copy link address. And we're gonna do a new tab. Paste that in here. Get rid of the S. Verify code. Boom. Great. Metrics upload. Come into here. Grab our perf metrics. Upload. Okay. So at least picked it up now. Let's see if this path is correct. Toggle that down and actually let's do a refresh. Oh, is Supabase down? No. Is Supabase storage down? No. Okay. Which user was this for? Ending in BTT. I can't see. So we can delete this one. Zero 1J. That looks like the correct file path. To K underscore perf metrics. Yeah, that looks good. All right, so we downloaded the blob. So this returned null. I don't think that's true. I think my error messages are wrong. How do we debug this is the real question. Actually, I have another idea I want to check. I want to check that this looks good in here. At least it's set it to error. That's good. So when we do our cleanup job, can I open a value editor? Can I view this as JSON? Whatever. That looks good. Storage ID is, I'm assuming, fine. Path. Full path looks good. Everything looks good there. So let's check our, well, we have I have to piece out for work here. I can do a little bit longer, but so if we look at handle process metrics upload, right? Let's follow this through. And let's go over to our blob storage. And the message we're seeing is this one right here. Yeah. Yeah. So what did we say the path was over here? It shouldn't be permissions. I'm using the same API key for the client in both apps. Oh. Okay, so when it errors like that, it's like when it sits for a while, it just like stops. Which is weird. So we gotta fix that. Something's like, I don't know if the connection to Postgres is timing out. We'll have to figure that out tomorrow. But I want to jump over to 3 and look at this quick before we wrap up. So let's see here. Bucket ID. That's probably fine. User ID. Let's kick the job server quick. So I don't know why it didn't recover from that. And then let's run this script again. And then we're going to compare. Okay, so that did just, that's wrong. From performance metrics. Ah, that's an issue right there. That's a bug. So what is, the path is wrong here. And would we say the path was over here? Yoink. Paste that in, and we'll grab the full path. And we'll try running it again. I don't know if it will recover from that. Okay, so it's going. So that time it worked. I wonder if this is like an eventual consistency problem. Probably not. So if we go look at okay, I see a problem. Look at this. So the top one is the one that failed. The storage ID is wrong. Well, that would make sense. Where did that storage ID even come from? From bucket ID. Download bucket ID. Input.storage ID. So that's coming from front. Result, right there it is. That's the problem right there. This needs to be result dot
Functions
the storage ID is
describe
performance
the
metrics.
world.
So given that, let's just kick the job server quick. Start that, and let's go delete the performance metrics. Let's delete all the jobs quick. I think this will work now. And then we'll raid somebody. And in here, we can delete this report just to verify that everything's working. And if we go to, I should be good here now. I should be able to like go to dashboard. Yeah, metrics upload, grab this. Let's bring up our terminal. Yeah, there it goes. There it went. There it went. I'm using ULIDs prefixed by a type, similar to how Stripe does it. Okay, well that worked. Now we can see in our database, if we refresh, we have our report. We have the rows that was parsed from whatever it's called.
Speaks the gospel of the camel.
That's a bug.
I speak the gospel of the dunes.
But that's
The
fine.
sand is in my veins.
And if we look in
Come
jobs,
ride a camel
we'll
with
see
me
that
today.
Thanks, Patel. We'll see that this is completed. Yep, completed at. We can see when it was locked. Great. Okay. Cool. So that was pretty good progress. We have a couple bugs in the job processor to deal with, but I think they're all pretty manageable. Famous last words. But we'll work on that tomorrow, or maybe if I get the okay to work on some Vercel stuff on stream tomorrow, we'll work on that for a day or two to get a client shipped. Why do you... Okay, whatever. Okay, who should we raid? Let's raid Prime. All right, y'all. Have a lovely Tuesday. We'll be back tomorrow morning.